Alright, so we're walking in Westwood right now, and we just got some monsters from CVS. We went to Shop House for the first time, and I got like chicken steak, brown rice, and like peanut sauce. It's like a curry, and I don't know, Chipotle owns it, so it's like kind of the same idea, but it's Asian.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, she got like the salad version. She said it was pretty good.
Yeah.
I thought it was pretty good. It's just like $10 for a bowl, because I got double meat. But we're going to City Target right now.
Get some buckets.
Yeah, to get some buckets, because we're going to Santa Monica, and we're trying to build a sandcastle. What's up? We're trying to build a sandcastle. All right, so we'll see if they've got anything for us. Made it to Santa Monica. Alright, so there's nothing at Target, so we found a bucket at the pier. Up here. Where's the... Oh, it's up here. Santa Monica Pier. We're on the left side of it, and yeah, we're gonna make a huge sandcastle. Cause Julia said we don't need a bucket, but I thought we needed a bucket.
It's like kind of big.
Chilling on the beach. Finally made it. I was just telling Julia that it's way better when I feel way better going to the beach when I'm like fed, because if I'm not fed, then I don't know, I get cranky. Oh, we did get some I got 7 airhead bites at Target because I was running out.
Eat them all right now?
No, I'm gonna bury them right now because they're gonna melt. And then of course we got water. Do you want some? Alright, we're just gonna chill here. Gonna start building the castle, take a dip. Normal stuff. It's off day, so we can afford to do this. If it's not off day, then we just like, our main part of the day is going to the gym and then just like chilling. We're gonna bury the airhead bites because I don't want them to melt. These are gonna be my pre-workout carbs for the next like week. I got 7
Oh my
of them.
gosh, they're destroyed.
You gonna mark it? There we go.
How deep did you put them in? Well, folks, we have a situation here. Oh.
Oh my god. Which one?
Can I have a peanut butter banana one with chocolate chips?
What's up, YouTube? Back in the gym. I compiled two of the workouts from the past today and yesterday, and it was because my camera messed up yesterday. I don't know what happened. Some of the files got corrupted, and I only got one set of my deadlifts and one set of my block benches, when I had an extra set of deadlifts and three other sets of block benches that I had. But regardless, I just threw in my squat footage from today to get some more footage in there for you guys. So right here was what you're seeing is 400, what was it again? 435 pounds, I believe. And I did it for 4 sets of 6. This was this morning now, and I was squatting 335 for 4 sets of 6. All movements are going up. I'm very excited about my progress. Once I pull 600 pounds, I'm going to start squatting before I deadlift instead of deadlifting before I squat. So right now, like, my deadlift is my main priority, and then I get kind of beat up, and then I go into my squat sessions. But regardless, both are going up. I just have a priority for the deadlift right now. And here's another angle of the 335. I worked out today at 7 a.m. Went to the gym at 7 a.m. and then had class from 10 to 12, and then had a review session from 3 to 5, and now it's about 7 p.m. and now I'm going to start studying until about 11 p.m. Sorry guys, I'm kind of tired, but yeah, 11 p.m. and then I'm going to wake up at 7 again and do a bench workout. I think I'm just going to do this when I'm close to a test, like 4 days out from a test, and just have long days so I have to get my workouts out of the way so I can study the rest of the day. Because I take a long time in the gym, so I just would rather just go in the morning and have time to get it in instead of going in the afternoon being rushed. But this was yesterday, after the squats that you saw, or the deadlifts that you saw. I'm so out of it. The deadlifts that you saw is 225, and I did 4 sets of 5 with 225 pounds. I really want to know where my bench is at, so I'm excited to max that out too. But gotta go study. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I am out.